please.
Ayan, sa
Try
ating
mo
mga
na.
team Burago, can you go here in front? Ayan, claim your prize and congratulations! Ayan! Ayan, congratulations! How about the team Powerpuff Boys? Can you move here and form your line?
Form your line and face all the guests.
Yes, face all the guests.
Ay, dito pala kay Stella. Sorry, face kay Stella. And okay, move backward.
Ayan, straight line lang. Haharap lang tayo sa ating mga guests.
Ayan, syempre sa McDonald's, walang talo, lahat panalo. Very good.
Yes.
Pero syempre, papaningin kayo ni Ate Yen.
Consequence. Syempre naman. Hindi pwedeng tumanggap lang kayo ng tumbler
Panalo.
ng ibibigay lang. Alright, so, I have a question for you. What's your name?
David po.
David. Okay, so David, what is your favorite animal?
Dog.
Okay, so dog. So how is the sound of the dog for you? Narinig din naman. Arf, arf. Okay. So next, what's your name?
Daniel po.
Okay, so hi Daniel. What is your favorite animal? Okay, cat. Paano ang tunog ng pusa for you?
Okay, narinig ba? Meow.
Okay. So next, what's your name? Sir Chris. Okay,
Chris.
what is your favorite animal, Chris? Ayan, tumawa siya. Pwedeng anong kalapate?
Bird. Any kind of animal.
Kabayo.
Kabayo.
Okay. So dahil kabayo ang favorite animal mo, paano ang tunog ng kabayo for you?
Come on. Kahit anong tunog.
Baboy na lang. Nag-change siya ng ano. Alright, paano ang tunog ng baboy for you?
Okay. Grabe na gulat
Dito
na
muna
Ate Yen.
talaga ako ng mga to. Alright, next, what's your name?
Gab po.
Okay, Gab. So, Gab, what is your favorite animal?
Monkey.
Okay, monkey. So, how is the sound of monkey for you?
Okay. Yan.
Alright, so monkey. Next, what's your name? Vincent. Okay, so Vincent, what is your favorite animal? Bird. So, paano ang tunog ng bird for you?
Tweet.
Tweet. Ayan, ready na sila po. Narinig nyo naman po yung mga favorite sound nila. Okay, so let's start to Kuya David. Tama? It's a
Dog.
dog. Alright, so dahil dog ang pinili mo, kakantahan mo si Stella ng happy birthday gamit ang tunog ng aso. Are you ready? Alright, ready? 3, 2, 1, go!
Ay, wala pa kayong mga kamay? Ayan. Grabe.
Grabe, congratulations! Alright, next, dito naman tayo sa ating next
Vincent,
participant. Okay, so ano ulit ang iyong favorite animal? Huwag kang kabahan. Okay lang yan. Okay, cat.
Cat.
Ready na ba ang ating cat? Okay, kakantahan mo si Stella gamit ang tunog ng pusa. And 3, 2, 1, go!
Go. Meow. Come on. Meow. Sabayan niyo po. Meow. Ayan, congratulations. Okay, next one.
Okay, next ang ating baboy. Tama? Ang
Tama.
ating pig. Ready na ba?
Ano yung
Alright.
sound niya kanina? Ano yung sound niya? Dapat ganun na.
Ulit.
Okay, sige.
Dapat ganon.
Ayan, kaya niyo yan.
And 3, 2, 1,
Go! Ayan, di ka mo naubusan ka ng hininga. Oink, 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 oink. Oink, 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 oink. Oink, 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 oink. Oink, 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 oink. Ayan, congratulations! Dahil napakahirap ng pinili mong sound.
Congratulations! Okay, palakpakan naman natin sila. Alright, next is ang ating
Favorite animal?
monkey. Okay, so are you ready? Alright, in 3, 2, 1. Kakantahan mo si Stella gamit ang tunog ng unggo.
Ayan, congratulations. Kaya, you may now claim your game prize.
Okay, last but not the least, ang ating bird. Okay, ready na ba ang ating bird? Alright, 3, 2, 1, go!
Come on, Kuya, let's go.
Go, Vincent.
Tweet, 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 Ayan. Okay, palakpakan naman po natin ang Team Powerpuff Boys.
Yes, grabe, ang gagaling nila. Pwede na silang umupo. Congratulations!
Manalo pa kayo. Tingnan mo.